Hello, in this video we'll be treating the characters as used by Dilly Charlie to drive home the message of the blood of a stranger. And first on our list is Maligu. Maligu is a very wise man, the advisor to King Santini of Mando. He is seen as very wise because he can read and write as opposed to other characters in the blood of a stranger. He used his position to manipulate his own selfish desires through the people of Mondavi. That's why he manipulated the message gotten from Whitehead through the people to drive home his selfish desires. Another character is Soko. Soko is the village shrine priest who sees and hears from the forefathers of the land. He used his position also to drive home his selfish desires. Maligo actually came to him to support his lie that the white man is coming into their land to create schools and also create a plantation of tobacco for the betterment of the society, whereas it's for their own selfish desires. Soko is seen as someone that never tells lie, but we all know the other way around. Another character is Kindo. Kindo is the prince of the land, also the chief warrior of Mando. He is seen as someone that is so patriotic to bringing truth to light in the land. He also sought for the betterment and increasing development in the society of Mando. But his desire for Mandoland was cut short by the selfish desires of Soko, Maligu, and Whitehead. He is also a strong man and a lover to Wara. Another character is Wara. Wara is in love with Kindo. She is a stranger to Mandoland. Her people is actually her people are seen as strangers to Mandoland, so they don't really count her as the indigene of Mandoland. So when they wanted to use the blood of a stranger to cleanse the land as erupted by the coming in of Whitehead, they wanted to use hers, but their plans failed, and then it bounced back to Whitehead. His own blood was spilled. Wara is seen as someone that is so in love with Kindo and could do anything for Kindo, even by going into the shrine to make love. Another character is Whitehead. Whitehead is very ambitious, very greedy, very callous in the sense that he doesn't really care about the feelings of the people, but what he wants from any land. He goes into Mandola to exploit them, coming in guise as a helper to bring in goodies of development and also to bring in education into the land. But we all know what he wanted, so he is a very bad man and the villain of the book Blood of a Stranger. And the last character I'm going to talk about is King Santini. King Santini is a very good man. He listens to his advisor Maligu. That's why Maligu was able to manipulate him by bringing in a false letter or a false desire of bringing in the white men into the land. King Santini is an ardent, strict and performer of the customs of the land. He sees the custom of the land as something, as a no-go area. He does everything to the letter. He is a good king on the other hand, but he's somewhat arrogant and somewhat ignorant. So these are pretty much the characters we can find in Blood of a Stranger. In our next video, we'll be treating past questions from SSC and post to prepare you for your upcoming examination.